Hey everybody, and welcome back. I know it has been a very long time, but I am kind of sort of back. I'm not all the way back. I still have things going on. As you read by the title, count this piggy bank with me, actually. Yeah, we're going. It says I have, y'all can see that, 75.53, but I think we have more in there. So we're going to be sorting this change out for the end of the year. So I got about halfway full. So I think I did pretty good considering. And it's going to be a little bit of chit-chatty because I, for one, missed y'all. And then for two, because I gotta, talk about some things. Can we see everything? Everything looks decent to me. Okay. So put that on this side. I'm trying to figure out what would be a cute thumbnail while I'm doing this. So please excuse me. Okay, so first thing is first. Where have I been? I just got burnt out. I haven't really been anywhere doing anything specific. I just got burnt out. That's really all. Oh, I forgot to tell you, you can skip ahead because I'm not going to be talking through this whole thing. So yeah, skip ahead if you don't want to hear me talking. And just listen to the click clacks and the water running in the background. It's not real water running, it's just a simulation, so no, I'm not wasting water. Disclaimer. But, yeah, so I got burned out from doing all the gym chalk. It was fun while I was doing it, can you see? It was fun while I was doing it, don't get me wrong. But it's just, I just got burned out. I was putting out videos every single day. And so it's like, how can I be even more creative than I already am? You know? So, what turned out to just be like a small break, oh goodness, turned out to be gone for, I don't even know how long. Y'all tell me how long I was gone. That's if you even still would watch any of my videos. But so I have some ideas, but they're not gym chalk crushing, and there are other ASMR type ideas like this one, sweating out my change. So just let me know if you want to see more things. Let me know. If you don't, then I'm cool with it. I probably still will post every now and then anyway. But I do want to get back to where I'm consistently posting. Not every day, but maybe once or twice a week. something like that. Not saying I will never do gym chalk again, because I do miss crushing it, and I've been watching so many baking soda videos. I want to try that too. Like, I got the materials, I just haven't used it. If I miss any of these up, please let me know. So, what have I been doing? I bought a house. I've been in my house for a year now. I've been, of course, raising my little girl. Those of you who saw those little hands crushing with mine. Yeah, she's still doing very, very well. She's in the 1st grade now. Her teacher thinks she's a genius. And I'm not just saying that, her teacher literally does think she's a genius, because I homeschooled her kindergarten year, and she's, you know, already pretty much on her way to about to pass 2nd grade stuff. But I wanted her to be in 1st grade. I didn't want her to like skip grades or anything like that. So that's that. I have been working my 9 to 5. Of course, gotta keep the bills paid. And I started a business as well. So I've been doing that. So that has definitely kept me busy. How are some of y'all? Like, you may not believe it, but I wasn't posting, but I was definitely looking at the videos. Y'all definitely got views from me. Now, I'm not much of a commenter. Like, I try to comment, but I don't be knowing what to say, y'all. So I don't really comment like that. But I do give you the views, and if you have those commercials, I watch those commercials because I know how valuable watching the commercials are. So if I'm subscribed to you on this channel or my main channel that I actually watch things on, you are getting the views and the what is it called, the watch time from me. And like watching y'all grow, it's like, wow, I should have kept going. But then it's like, nah, you did the right thing. You know, because, oh no, I dropped it down. Oh Lord, I just tried to put less in my hand so I didn't drop. And I just dropped a lot of change. I'll get that later on. I'm not going to get it right now, because I would have to stop the video and all of that. And I don't want to. This is going to be raw and uncut. Hopefully. As long as my little girl don't wake up. But yeah, I have plenty more ideas for videos, y'all. I really do. And I hope y'all can hear me, because I don't know what I did with my mic. So I'm definitely hoping you can hear me. I know you can hear this clink clink. I know you can hear this. Very loud probably. So you might cut down your sound once I really get to it. But if you have any questions for me, let me know. You can leave them down in the comment section. I'll definitely be answering any and all of them. If you have any ideas other than gym chalk that you would like to see me do, then let me know that as well. I'm getting to the point where I might show my face on camera. I'm still not sure yet about that part. Can y'all even see my hands? Am I out of the frame this whole time? And y'all just see that every now and then? I'm so sorry if it was, because I was concentrating on getting them all out. But, what was I saying? Oh no. Oh no. What was I saying? Oh, if you want to see me do something other than gem chalk crushing or just crushing videos, period, let me in on it, because I would probably do it. As long as it's nothing crazy and it don't break too much of the bank, because I'm still a single mother. What is this? Oh. Do y'all do that? Like, this is like the little tool that goes with the top. Like, it's the, oh, it's for the screws. I thought it was to hit the reset button, but no, it's for the screws. And I just left it in there because I didn't want to lose it. I felt like, oh goodness, I felt like that would be the best place for it. But yeah, what have y'all been up to? Let me know. Tell me you missed me, because I missed y'all. And oh y'all, I forgot to tell y'all, my birthday is tomorrow. I'm literally like, I'm hours away from the hour that I was born. And I'm hitting a milestone age, and I don't know how I feel about it. I still tell people I'm 29, but I'm definitely above that age. Oh no, sorry. People say I don't look it, so that's a good thing. That is a wonderful thing. But yeah, I hope I'm still out of frame. Let me push the piggyback some and put my hand there. Is that better? I cannot tell y'all. Please forgive me if it isn't. I'm trying to be cognizant of being on camera and having my hands in frame again. As you can see, I don't have any nails on. They were hindering me from doing some of the things that I had to do. But I'm thinking during the summer I'll probably get those back because I miss them. I do miss having nails. I think I'm pretty much done with my little, hey, I'm back, little chit chat. So, oh no, those recorders. So, I'm gonna hush now, and I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of this click clack and the sound of running water in the background. I still love y'all. forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to wish me a happy birthday, that would be nice down in the comment section. Also, if you want to see me roll these, then let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.